G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a private oasis, 45 Long Street in the popular bayside suburb of Point Vernon. This stunning home must be viewed to appreciate everything that's on offer. Let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your own private resort in one of Hervey Bay's most popular bayside suburbs of Point Vernon. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being able to easily walk to the beautiful esplanade while taking in those panoramic views across the emerald waters of Hervey Bay. You also have the Gables boat ramp and Esa Park just up the street, and beautiful Gatakers Bay and boat ramp only minutes away, along with the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD and essential amenities. This stunning GJ Gardner home was designed specifically to suit this allotment while retaining one of the Bay's best self-contained studios to the rear with a sparkling in-ground pool as a centerpiece. From the very moment you walk in, you'll be captivated by the high ceilings and striking details of this beautiful home, delivering a flawless blend of indoor and outdoor living. This home has been planned to allow for seamless space transitions with an open plan living and dining area, which does include the kitchen, all cleverly positioned to seamlessly connect with an atrium and water feature to one side and the expansive alfresco outdoor entertaining deck overlooking that stunning in-ground pool on the other side. This is where you'll enjoy and take advantage of Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. You can also make a splash in that stunning resort-style pool, which includes shade sails and an outdoor shower surrounded by those beautiful established tropical gardens. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the main living and dining area as well as the main bedroom. Indulge more than your taste sensations in that gourmet kitchen and let your eyes take in the proportion, layout and convenience here. The oversized island preparation bench does take centre stage and includes those beautiful ebony stone bench tops which do flow throughout the entire kitchen. You'll also note the fantastic storage and butler's pantry, which includes a sink and outdoor servery, completing this entertainer's delight. Quality appliances include a large oven and hot plate with range hood, and there is plumbing provision for refrigerators with water filters and ice makers, making it ideal for preparing everyday meals and catering for those special occasions. This stunning home does include 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans, and 2 also include built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes 2 large walk-in wardrobes with custom cabinetry and a lavish ensuite with double basins, screenless shower recess with double shower heads and a toilet. There is also a clever media station to accommodate all of today's devices, and you've got direct access outside to the alfresco outdoor entertaining deck as well. The remaining 2 bedrooms both include ceiling fans, while the bedroom to the front includes stylish plantation shutters and a built-in wardrobe as well. Both of these bedrooms are serviced by a 2-way bathroom that includes a double basin vanity, shower and a toilet. There is also a separate powder room with toilet. The laundry is seamlessly integrated into the butler's pantry. Vehicle accommodation is catered for with an oversized double garage with a remote door and direct internal access into the home. You also have an entire wall of built-in storage in the garage as well. This property does offer side access and space to accommodate camper trailers and small boats. Those wanting to be more self-sufficient will appreciate the large 5.2 kilowatt solar power system. But wait, there's more. There is also a fully lined and insulated studio to the rear with power and water connected, and it includes a shower and toilet which will suit so many applications. There is also an expansive covered outdoor area wrapping around two sides for extra alfresco entertaining. Homes of this calibre in this location are rare and sure to be in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.